the hillside, yeah, yeah. You gon' keep it right for the hillside, yeah, yeah. When it's late at night, see my real side. Baby, that's the real side, baby, that's the real side.
Oh my god,
It's a
Ronnie.
vibe, yeah, feeling right, yeah, keep it quiet. Nigga, so much ice, yeah, fantasize, yeah, this.
What's good, y'all, man? You already know who it is. It's your boy Young Denzel. Fold your girl like a pretzel, man. What's good, y'all? I already told y'all I was coming back with some fire, man. I'm trying to upload every Tuesday and Thursday, but right now we're gonna do a different type of video today, man. If you grinding out 2K, man, she already know the struggle right now. The defense is crazy from the computer. As you can see, I'm at 89 overall. I hope to be at 90 by the weekend, man. I should be done in the next few days, if not today. But besides that, man, I'm coming to y'all with some straight heat and fire. If you grinding out them badges for 2K, man, you already know the struggle, like I said. But I'm coming here to help y'all drop some knowledge real quick. Drop you some little Hall of Fame badges on y'all real quick, man. So, as you see, I'm at 89 overall. I made me a shot creating sharpshooter at the 2 guard. He's 6'8", man. It's on OP. I mean, you know, everybody say they build OP, so I'm gonna say it's OP too. But we can, you know, if you want to see more into my build, man, give this video a like. But let's get right into this video. So today, if you're a post scorer or some type of center build or any type of forward, and you got some shot creating badges or even just the big man badges towards the drop stepper, up and under specialist, and relentless finisher, man, this video is for you, man. So again, stay tuned for this video so I can help y'all out to grind them badges out so y'all can get to these Hall of Fames if y'all have to get it. So the first badge we're going to talk about is the drop stepper badge. For the drop stepper badge, it's not hard to do at all, but you know, depending on the computer, you can you might be getting double teamed. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna show y'all some clips right now. Yeah, so notice, so see how clustered it is in the paint? And I'm like a smaller guy, even though I'm 6'8". Like, I still got some muscle in there, you know what I'm saying? You know, big man, big bully. These my babies right here, you know what I'm saying? But if you're a guard and you got these post badges, you want to try to just get down as low into the paint as you can. And then, like, it's easy for you to try to attempt a layup. Because, like, if you see, sometimes you might get switched onto the center. You already know you're not going to do nothing with him. Sometimes they'll jump, and you might get lucky and do that. But yeah, man, all you gotta do if you're playing on Xbox, you're just gonna hold left trigger so you can post, and then you're gonna after that you're gonna just tap the X button towards the basket so you can swing your arm around to the guy. It looks like you throwing your elbow into his chest, and then you just gonna put the ball up after that. So that's simple how to do the drop stepper. If that was too confusing, you can always just look at the controls and they tell you how to do it in the 2KU tips, man. Alright, so you might notice these are literally the same clips. I know. Am I trying to jip you? Nah, man. I'm trying to let you know right now. It's literally the same thing. So with the drop stepper, you can actually, well, to activate the move is actually different, but this is where you get like the 2-in-1 in a game trying to do both of these. So I'm gonna tell you how to get it, how to activate the animation for you to get, like, you know, for it to get recognition that you did the move. So you're literally gonna do the same moves like we said, but notice when I perform the move, when I have my back to the basket, when I get down here, see, when I press X to swing my arm around and that pump fake there, and then I go up, that pump fake and then me going up, that is an up and under. So it's like you technically kind of getting around the game without trying to actually activate. Like, it says how to do it up under. You have to, like, put your back to the basket, and then you hold the analog stick to a different way for a little bit, and then, like, it's like you flick it, and then you go up again to like do the up and under. But you don't have to do it for this. This is like a shortcut, like a little cheat code, more or less. So all you really have to do is do the drop stepper. After you perform the drop stepper, make sure you pump fake. And once you pump fake, all you got to do is go straight up, man. It's simple. So, see, I'm giving y'all some keys real quick, man. It's a 2-for-1. So, literally just perform the drop stepper animation. Make sure you pump fake after you do that animation, and then go straight up. So that's the look. But see, you see how fast we just went through this, man? Like, I just gave y'all 2 badges. So that you can get Hall of Fame. I mean, Hall of Fame is always a grind, obviously, but you can get that pretty decently quick, and at least you're getting a 2-for-1 special instead of you trying to do like 2-3 separate moves. The only way it would take you longer is depending on the defense, and you already know defense is crazy this year in 2K, man. So that's all you got to do to grind those 2 badges. So my third badge is going to be the relentless finisher. So as you can see right there, The relentless finisher is usually the contact. If you can make it through the contact and you're doing like a layup here, sometimes it's gonna give it to you. See how it just flashed up there right there? So it's all about, with 2K is all about just having your badges getting recognized and that animation going off. Because honestly, sometimes you can't, like, you'll be doing the move perfectly and it won't give it to you at all. But just trust and believe that you can get the up and under and the drop step. Like I'm not even kidding. Like, you can get it real quick. My player, he gets it. He gets up and under gold. I don't even know why. Especially for, like, I have a shooting build. I don't even know why he would get that. But nonetheless, man, I ain't mad at it. It's another gold badge. So like I said, just did that drop step and just go straight up. So that's all you got to do. So that's a little 2-for-1. The relentless finisher. I mean, you just can do tough layups. See how that was a contact layup right there? That's all you got to do, honestly. I mean, usually they'll give it to you, but if they don't, you can always just go back, do some layups throughout the game if you want. But if I were you guys and I wanted to get it out the way, I'd definitely get those other two done, man. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, it was a little short video. I didn't want it to take long because it shouldn't have to take this long. But if y'all are interested and want me to show you how to get any other badges, man, just let me know. Leave a comment in my comment box, man. Make sure you like the video, share this video. More importantly, man, I want to get this out there to people. I'm trying to become in this 2K community, man. I always played 2K, but I never made videos and stuff. I'm always pretty good every year in it that I've been playing. So I'm hoping I can bring more videos to y'all. So if y'all enjoy it, man, again, leave a thumbs up, share, comment, and more importantly, subscribe to the video for new content, man. Just whatever y'all want me to show y'all next, man, just put it in the comment box and I got y'all. It's your boy Young Denzel, fold your girl like a pretzel, man, and I'm out. Peace.